We are here at Guwahati's biggest dumping site, Boragaon dumping area, which is located in East Boragaon, Belowali Port. This area has come under renewed scrutiny over pollution and safety concerns. Questions have arisen whether GMC is really following the National Green Tribunal's guidelines. Behind me, you can see huge pile of legacy waste and several trucks filled with new waste being dumped at the very site.
As per GMC, West Boragaon dumping site has been shut down and the new dumping yard being Belortol in East Boragaon, which is at a walking distance from the previous site.
We are now at Municipal Solid Waste Management Plant, which is operated by Geron, and the manager of this plant refused to talk to us when we asked him about how this plant operates. When we reached here, we found that the workers are not in proper safety suits, which is the PPE suits. When asked about why they are not wearing the suits, they said that it is their break time, despite the fact that this entire surrounding is filled with garbage. Guwahati generates over 1,300 tons of waste daily, but activists allege poor segregation, non-functional processing units, and incidents of open burning at Boragaon. Despite the area being highly toxic and unhygienic, we can see women and children working at the site, that too without any PPE suit, questioning the very existence of National Green Tribunal's guidelines.
আপুনি কেতিয়া পৰা ইয়াতে কাম কৰি আছে?
10 বছৰ হৈছে
PPE suits দিছে নেকি আপোনাক?
না দেওয়া
The GMC says the site is NGT monitored and inorganic waste is processed through refuse-derived fuel systems, though segregation remains a challenge. PPE costume diya nai apna?
দেওয়া নাই এইবিলাক বিক্ৰী কৰি পইচা পাওঁ
Kod bikri korai?
এই আমাৰ ডেম আছে এই 3 মাহ পৰে পিছত 20,000 10,000
এটা দিছিল
Disil ki hol eto?
এটা ছিঙি গেছি
Tar pisot apuni
এটা দেওয়া নাই মোৰ বয়স 17
গা বেয়া হয় না ইমান জাবরাত কাম কৰি থাকা যে?
বেয়া হয়
আমি হাজিৰা চিষ্টেমত কাম কৰি আছোঁ এতিয়া হাজিৰা চেলাৰী একেবাৰে কম ৰেষ্ট মোটামুটি বছৰত দুবাৰমান দিয়ে গাটো বেয়া হয় উপায় নাই গন্ধ কৰিয়ে চলি আছোঁ ৰেগুলাৰ হ'ব বুলি আশাতে আজি 13 বছৰ ইয়াতে কাম কৰি আছোঁ
Located just 1.5 km from the Borbil, residents fear leachate and smoke could harm the sensitive wetland. While GMC plans to convert the Boragaon area into an urban forest, with garbage still piling up, people working without protection, and pollution fears mounting, the question is, are the NGT norms only being enforced on paper or are they followed on ground at Boragaon?